This week in word study, we are focusing on homographs. These are also known as multiple meaning words. This means that there are two words that are spelled the same. Sometimes they are pronounced the same, and they have different meanings. So what we're going to do in the next couple of slides, you are going to try and guess the answer to the riddle using a homograph. The answer is behind this blue box. So after you take your guess, whether it's right or wrong, it is okay. You will reveal the answer behind this box. So let's try one together. Why can't a leopard hide? The answer is because he's always spotted. So we have spotted like polka dots, and then spotted, which means that someone saw you or you saw it. A couple of slides after these, you are going to use your context clues to move. So you're going to move this red circle onto your answer. If you have any questions, please let me know.